scheduled for one fall. Approaching the ring
from the Rocky Mountains, weighing 456 pounds, the man they call Vader.
His opponent,
weighing 280 pounds, Smash!
Here comes the ass.
There's the bell, and here we go.
I have a feeling that action is going to be plenty intense in this one. Oh, Smash caught all of that one.
Vader displaying nothing but conceit. Over the years, Vader's crippled countless competitors. Will we see his next victim tonight?
Hey!
And he fights out of it. He breaks the hold.
Watch it! Wow! Smash gets a big counter!
Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there. And he hits the drop kick. What impact. And Smash gets flattened. A big fist from Vader.
Look at Vader!
What a power bomb from Vader. What can Smash do at this point?
Well, this guy's so quick, he just needs to get that motor going and start flying around the ring.
And will this be it?
1, 2.
The tension, the drama. This is electric.
Everything about Smash is intimidating. His ring attire, his face paint, his name. You know when you see this guy in the ring, you're in deep trouble. Call your friends. Let them know what's going on right now in this awesome match. He sees it. Smash loves to work people over with his power and size.
What great action we've had in this match. Smash isn't exactly multi-dimensional. As his name implies, he likes to go right after his opponents with clubbing shots and brutal slams. In the corner and now set up there upside down on the top rope.
And from here, you can't do much of anything.
And he does it one more time.
scary is Vader? He's got evil intentions.
This might do it. Wait. Oof. Both men appear to be casualties as a result of that superplex.
Uh-oh, he's in position, ready to strike. I've watched Vader for a long time, and let me tell you, there have been natural disasters that cause less damage than this monster. Oh, what a shot! He is definitely going to have those ribs looked at after this match. What a haymaker! A huge right hand.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. I don't think so. Stuffed again. I don't believe this. And that's why you never want to make Vader mad.
That was a heavy shot. Boy, this has just been pandemonium.
Ooh, a skull-crushing impact.
Oh, it's a good thing Vader wears a mask. I don't even want to guess how ugly this guy is without it. Not again.
Powerbomb. Vader snapped.
He sees it. Not this.
He's looking at it again. Oh, you do not get up from that. Will it be? One. Two. Three. Vader wins.